Hello my beautiful friends, and welcome to today's video of why it's good to be sad. If you find yourself struggling with sadness or feeling like this keeps coming up for you and you're like, what is happening? I'm going to explain to you today why that's actually a good thing and how we can just feel it to heal it. So first off, sadness and tears are an incredible gift from like the universe, God, whatever you want to call it. Because how it works is that if something's happened to us or something's in our subconscious, like an emotional trauma or thoughts or somebody was mean to us, that literally manifests in us as energy. It can be in us, it can be on us, attached to us, all of the above. And so that energy manifests into emotions. We start to feel sadness or a tightness or like confusion. And then those emotions manifest into a physical reaction, aka tears. This is a process that was given to us by the universe that we are naturally supposed to have to help us release energy. So something happens, we collect energy. Energy turns into emotions. Emotions turn into a physical reaction. The physical reaction lets us release those emotions. It lets us release those things that happen. If you look at tears on a scientific way, they're literally releasing oxytocin and endorphins. Those endorphins, not only are they promoting a sense of well-being, but they literally are easing your physical and emotional pain. Those chemicals literally make you feel good. And so not only is it scientifically proven, but it is literally part of the process. We define emotions and energy and physical reaction in our language as separate things, and so our minds kind of think that they're separate things, but they're actually one thing, and they are working together. They are trying to work together. So if something happens and an energy gets stuck to us and we try to fight the emotion and not feel it, or we try to keep the physical reaction from happening, aka the tears, the crying, then we're literally like making that energy, that thing that happened to us that is now energy on us, we are pressing it down, making it denser, more intense, and then we're carrying it with us. It's crazy. Wild to me. So your tears are a gift. Let yourself be sad. Being sad is a gift. Any emotion is a gift, but specifically today about sadness, it is a gift because something that happened to you that is out of your control, that sadness is allowing you to release it, to let it go. So feel it to heal it. Feel the sadness. Let yourself cry. Let's normalize crying. Like, how cool would that be if we lived in a society where crying was just normal, or we could just cry anywhere? So let's do it. Cry anywhere. Cry in public, cry on a train, cry on a restaurant, cry by yourself, cry with a friend, cry anywhere you want, because you are literally not only giving yourself a gift, an act of self-love, doing yourself a favor, you are also giving a gift and doing a favor to anyone else who thinks that it's bad to cry. You are literally helping them feel more comfortable in their sadness, releasing their energy. So no one's judging you, and if they are, they're going to take that information that you cried in front of them into their subconscious, and then the next time that they need to cry, they're going to be just much more likely to cry. So don't judge yourself. I'm not judging you. I'm definitely encouraging you. Feel to heal all of the beautiful things. And yeah, and it's not just with crying and sadness too. Like, our body physically releases all different types of emotions. When we get angry, we have all this energy in our body and we want to move and we want to punch things. When our energy is shifting, we like yawn or we sneeze. And so pay attention to your physical reactions. Let them happen. If you feel something and you notice that like you're sad, so your body wants to curl up, or you're angry, so you need to like move and shake, let yourself do that. You're literally releasing the energy, releasing the emotion, letting the process of event that causes trauma and becomes energy. You're letting that energy turn into emotions, turn into a physical reaction that then turns into healing and releasing. So have a beautiful day. You're all amazing. Things are stepping in. This is a quick one. I'm total pro tears. I'm total pro sadness. I'm here trying to start a beautiful community with all of you beautiful souls. So reach out to me with any questions, put in the comments below. If you want to get to know me more, or you want to connect more, there's some links in my bio for cleansings, energy cleansings and astrology readings and my one-on-one coaching. So super excited to just see you here. Have a beautiful, beautiful day.